Okay, here's steam shovel over at Playland Pool parking lot. Guy's backing out. Nice piece of machinery. Yeah. Imagine being scooped up with that thing. They're doing a good job over here. And this video was taken on this Friday afternoon, June 14th, for 2013. And the time right now is 4:22 p.m. It looks to me like that employee operating that piece of machinery wasn't too happy. He wasn't smiling. For all he knows, maybe I'm one of his bosses. Hey, look at this. We got these guys over here on the beach. Isn't this cool? Let's see if we can get a close-up over here. I guess it'll be all right. I'm not gonna get hurt. I didn't see where it said exactly no trespassing. Hey, the boardwalk's complete. Look at that. Wow, I'm so excited. This is fantastic. Look at this. This is a real Playland classic. Look at that. You got three pieces of machinery. All right. Pushing dirt towards the front of the water. Yes, sirree. This is the cameraman's dream at Playland. And remember, there was no sign saying no trespassing. So don't start throwing me in the category of some criminal. All right? That's ridiculous. This guy's gonna unload some sand. Guess that's what you call what? A dump truck. It's a nice piece of equipment. Yeah, let's take a look at this boardwalk. Now, I didn't see any signs that said no trespassing, right? Okay, so I'm not being a wise guy. Everybody knows that. If that gate was slid across completely, I wouldn't have walked through it. But you gotta admit, though, I'm like a Playland historian. I've got to capture all this. I have to get these videos. It's very important. Now, look at this. Look at that boardwalk. Look how nice that is. Beautiful. Very nice. So I guess this needs a paint job. And then they'll open it to the public. Yep. That still needs more work down there. That's where it's locked off. I don't want to walk down any further. Show any disrespect. Yeah. They got to repair that section of the boardwalk. Still more work to be done. It's open over there. Yep. Okay. So that completes the video.